Nining Acholi. Welcome back to Chaka Acholi, segment ni Kwan Acholi and Jacqueline Kangot. Today we're reading on the Lomiling Subclan, session number 75. We are starting to read about the Ofirika clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. Okay. Yesterday we started off with the introduction. Session number 74 was an introduction to the Ofirika clan of the Acholi people of present-day South Sudan. Okay. So we found that the Ofirika clan has 6 subclans. Okay. And today we'll start with the very first one, which is Lomiling. It's about a page and a half. It's a very short reading. So I'm just going to focus on that and keep the reading short so that we can get you guys to engage and watch the videos in full. Okay. So yesterday, the introduction included basically describing the geographic location of Ofirika in present-day South Sudan. And we found that it is surrounded by a few of the other clan regions belong to the other clans, which included Omeo, Magui. Um, what else are they surrounded by? Lokoya territories or Lowai. Okay. Um, did I say Omeo and Omeo, including Magui? Okay. We also found that they came from different places. However, it's believed that the majority of them came to um, the area. They were once relocated with the Agoro and the Omeo and the other groups to Guri and close to Magui. And they were too small of a population to rule themselves. They didn't have a chief. The British would not allow them to have a chief because you needed to have at least 500 people within your clan to have your own chief. And according to the census, back then, they did not have the numbers needed for that. So they were put under the rule of Magui and the chief of Magui, Joseph Ola. They did try to have their own chief, but that did not work out because the chief could not collect tax or carry out the functions of a county chief, which was Joseph Allah out of Magui, and the taxes were collected from the people, which included Omeo, Agoro, Magui, and Ofirika, because they were considered smaller groups and they were bound together. And their county chief out of Magui County collected taxes, and they took the tax collected, and took it to Torit, where the local government center is. Okay, um, so we found that Joseph Allah was the only chief that pretty much ruled the Ofirika people officially as appointed by the British. But Joseph Allah was from Omeo, the Omeo clan, okay, not from Ofirika. All right. Um, okay, so they did try pretty hard to rule themselves, but they were not really allowed to. So unofficially, they did select their own leaders. Um, but that didn't work out. Okay. They settled along Got Fuka and Got Okulu. Okay. Um, yeah. So they were in that area up until the 1900s, early 1900s, from 1900 to 1923, when the British came and decided to redistribute the settlements of the Acholi clans and Acholi chiefdoms, basically. Okay, just so they can gain power and control and divide and conquer. They were able to do that with the Acholi people of Sudan and northern Uganda before the borders. Okay, So now I'm going to jump right into reading about Lomiling. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, Lomiling. Okay. And tomorrow I will read about Lodulang. Please leave your comments. Let me know if I'm pronouncing that correctly or not. But Lomoling will be the first subclan for me to read about. Okay. So let me jump right into it. Okay. Make sure to like, comment, share, engage with the platform. Please follow us on Facebook. We are on Facebook as Chaka Leb Acholi. We are on YouTube as Chaka Leb Acholi as well. I do post and air this also on my personal Facebook, which is Chagi Kang South Sudan. Okay, on Apoamatek. Please like, comment, follow me on all of my platforms. Apoamatek. Yala, regarding Lomoling, like Jojo Joining, huh? Jo Lomoling Tiegi Doc on Martina Ngwen. Mana ye? Oh my God, help me. I don't know how to pronounce this. Um, Lohilengi. 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 Ijohok, Ibore, Gi, Imolongoi, Imolongoi. It definitely sounds like they're not a Julie, okay? I think they came from Lokoya, right? Um, I'm trying to see. I think they came from Lokoya because this language definitely does not sound like a Julie to me, or the names of these subgroups. It's not as familiar to me because it doesn't sound like a Choli. Sound more so like Loturo, you know what I mean? But anyways, let me keep trying. I'm gonna try. Please help me out. Tech. So Dano mi doc odd Megi dujo bino ge kabira ma parapat kit ma wabinano pinkan. Okay, la jojo choning on lohi regard jo lohi lengi te kwar pa chuli wajone jo lohi lengi Juhilengi Obinogi Iyire mi obo. I wondered because obo pole Jomokoti Lotuko and Kiro Nyingi ni sound Lotuko to me. So La dit Odire Ohofir Aye Okelodana Loho Lengi Gi Ilobo Ofirika. Okay. Don wajani dana man owero yire pilok ariyo ma pire tek. Mi achiel gino owero yire pilok mi tuo gi to ma obedo ka yelo dano. Ka mi ariyo gino owero yire pien dano mi lohilengi onongo kwo ilobo yire odogo tek mada pien jo yire omar lweny alibo piman jo olilengi oneno ni ka gino mere gibedo kenyo ci digi kelo to maduong' bor luok. Dano mi lohilengi obino ogeri kom got habulo. Watin gino gak e got man. La dit Ofirika chalo Abraham Polino atare awajo ni jo lohilengi maonongo loyo luak mi romorok o jolo hilengi maber ka omiyo bodgi ngom migero gi ngom mi fu. Okay, kadong ningo regarding jomi ijohok gi ibore. Ijohok gi ibore. Let me know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Wukan kora. Dana mi dok od mi ijohok gi ibore obino gi imarok. Okay. La di dalaha ayeo kelo jo ijohok kala dit iwala kono okelo jo ibore I lobo Ofirika mi acholi mi Sudan. Okay. Ludira chulima polo wajaborani dana mi ijo hok o weko lobo imarok mi pi lok mi gina tuo mau bero ka nego dano maduong e mwaka menu. La dit da laha gi la dit iwachi ma gineno luak tie ka to maduong gino kwanya jo imajok no I'm sorry jo ijohok gi jo ibore kagin o wajo bod gini wan miero wachit ka yenyo ka bedo ma yamo twero koro i dano ma yamo twero koro i dano Dwan wacho ni dupa dano man ario obino ogony I ching luak mi lohilengi nen chalo dano mi ijohok gi dano mi ibore gin obedo omero gi limero man bene gin ma weko dano owajo kwere ni lwala nyo iwala gi dalaha gin omiero obed omero ento ikinotino cho ario man pe wang'io ang'a maladit gi bot lowore ento gin ma wang'io kit ma Justin Obama wacho ni dalaha obedo dano ma lachilo okay entie gi wiye maduong wabucho chi pe maro kero ye wiye no mabojo ye wiye maduong mabojo chi pe maro kero ye wiye okay kala dit lwala kono nyo iwala kono omaro lengo kom twatwal mere gi kom man en bene tie gi diengi mapol dano mokene wacho ni ikar ma pod luak pa iwala tie imaro la dit iwacha opore wako gi kom omine dalaha pilokom chilo so kwero dalaha gani la chilo mine gilwanye komo kwero ne ko bedi kuja la chilo godongi imarok mi mere anyim okay regarding the Imalongoi is another subgroup mi Lomiling Imalongoi I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly Imalongoi te kwara pa Ofirika wajani dana mi dok od mi Imalongoi obino gi igara la dit abiliwach mau kelo jo Imalongoi Leb Acholi mi Sudan lo diro mi Ofirika mokene wajibora ni jo Imalongoi obedo dano mi agigi modonyo ikin dano matintie igang mi Lomiling okay now regarding team gi got Lomiling la chojo choningo jo Lomiling tie gi team achiel magi lungo ni team Chukaya nyo alia lo diro mokene owajo ni jo lohilengi obino nongo ni wiki team man pere jo lohilengi aye ma charo ngolo wang team Chukaya ma bene gin ma weko team jo lohilengi odoro wiki team latin lohilengi aye ma koro chiriba mi team Chukayo gigu marach pe anongo kare mi penyo nying lakot chiriba mi team man atama ni nying lakot chiriba machon gi nying lakot chiriba manyen mi team Chukayo wabicho gin kore gi kore second edition mi book man jo Lomiling bene tie gi God a chill, mana ye God, habu, God nenga, habuho, habuho. Gin bene tie gi jok a chill, magi lungo ni jok itoho. What let any do part marach. Jok itoho, itoho. Is it lo tubu, will Indian, will ngo? Let me part the manak. Jok itoho. Matie kom God i hop God habu Matie kom God habuho habuho Latin lohilengi aye matero wang jok habuho dan watene ngad mi achiel mocha hotero wang jok itoho obere la dit langa bolo inge topa langa bolo jok odong bola dit irwangi. Inge topa irwangi jok itoho odong bod piro langa bolo. Inge topa piro langa bolo jok itoho odong bod daho mere magi luongo Anita. Now that name I can say Anita. Watin pori Anita ma yubu wang jok itoho. Okay, so that's all of the reading on Lomiling. Okay, if you're from Lomiling, Ofirika, please drop your comments, send me a DM. Can you confirm what I'm reading? Am I pronouncing everything correctly? The names are a little bit difficult to read because it doesn't sound like it's Acholi, it sounds like it's Lotugo. It sounds very foreign. So please help me out. If you'd like to be a guest, please send me a DM on a Puamate. Okay. Yeah. So we found that the Lomiling subclan of Ofirika has 4 subgroups, which are Lohilengi, Ijohok, Ibore, and Imalongoy. Okay. Some of them came from the Obal clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan, led by Chief Odire Ohofir. Okay. Okay, they came from a place called Ire. Okay. In Obal, and they said it was hard to live there, so they decided to leave. It also says here that for some reason they were dying in Ire. I don't know if it was because of sickness. I think they had a lot of sickness there, maybe even famine. Okay. Um, so they stayed when they came to Lohilenge. They stayed in Lohilenge until today. Uh, so when they came, they already found the people of Romorok in God Habolo, where they settled. So they were not the first to enter that territory. Okay. Okay, so the Romorok people received them, gave them some land, but they are not the founders or forefathers of that land. Okay. Now, regarding the Ijohok and Ibore people, we found that they mainly came from Imorok under Chief Dalaha. Okay. And then also under Chief Iwala. Chief Iwala brought the people from Ibore, and then Chief Dalaha brought people from Ijohok. The people from Ijohok was brought by Chief Dalaha. Okay. Um, So they're saying that those two chiefs happens to be brothers, but they don't know which one was older. Um, and they're saying that one was a lot neater and cleaner and well maintained as far as hygiene, and the other one was very dirty, and that was another reason why uh, he got in a fight in the places where they came from, in like Imarok or somewhere else, and that is the reason why he had to leave because he was basically um, unpopular. He's not a favorite. He was the dirty person. Probably didn't bathe or anything like that. Okay. Now regarding the Imalongoy people, he found that the Imalongo people came from Igara, and they're led by Chief Abilach. No, I'm sorry, Abiliwach. Okay, okay, and they were the last people to enter into the present region of Lomoling. Okay, the Imalongoy people are the last to enter Lomoling. Okay, now regarding whether they have any land rights, the Lomoling people have any land rights, or if they have any significant mountains in that area, he found that they have only rights to Team Chukayo or Team Aliha. Okay. Um, so when they arrived, the Lohilengi people came first, and they didn't. They claimed they didn't find anybody there when they arrived to Team Chukayo. Okay. Um, so they became the founders of Team Chukayo because they didn't think there was other settlers there. Okay, before they got there. Yala. They also have one mountain which is called God Habuho or Mount Habuho. Okay, and they also have one god or spiritual power or a deity, which is Jok Itoho. Jok Itoho. And you can find this Jok, this spiritual power that they have, is situated within God Haboho, their mountain. Their spiritual god or Jok lives within that mountain. Okay, so that's pretty much it on the Lomoling people. Okay, Lomoling is the first subclan of the Ofirika people, and the first subgroup of that is Lohilengi. They were the first to enter into the territories belonging to the Lomoling subclan of the Agoro clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. Tomorrow I will read on Lodu Lang. Lodu Lang. Okay, that is the second subclan of the uh, Agoro clan of present-day Acholi people of present-day South Sudan. Okay, Anapuamate, please stay tuned, like, comment, share, engage with the platform. Um, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, Anapuamate. Okay, have a good night.